So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can save your Canva project to your computer. So after you've finished editing and doing everything on Canva, go ahead, tap on this share button in the top right corner of your screen, and there you'll get the option of download. Go ahead and tap on that. And now you can select your file type. I'm going to go ahead and select MP4 video, as my project is a video. You can also go ahead and adjust your quality if you are downloading your project as a video. You can also save your download settings by selecting this option over here and then tap on download in the bottom. The download will begin and you'll be able to view the file, and you can also find it in your downloads folder. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.